Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss the second lecture of this home science optional for Odisha Civil Service examination and also other state PCS examination. Friends, today I am going to discuss about the basis of human development, a very important part of the what your optional paper. And we know that the basis of human development. Let us start from human is a what mammal. We know that human reproduces by sexual reproduction. Both male and female partners are involved in the process of reproduction. And we know that what happens, the gametogenesis takes place, which takes the formation of which produces the sperm and ovum. We know that the production of or synthesis of sperm is called spermiogenesis, and the synthesis or formation of eggs or ova is called oogenesis, and togetherly they are called as gametogenesis. Okay friends, from this then what happened, the sperm reaches to the ovum where it get fertilized. There begins the journey of development of baby or the fetus. We can say the embryo, fetus, baby, like this. So what actually the development or beginning of life starts from the what we call fertilization. That is fertilization, the process of fusion of male gamete, that is sperm, with the female gamete called ovum, to produce a single cell fertilized cell, that is called zygote. Is it right? So sperm and ovum both are gametes, so they are called haploid cells, and zygote itself is a what diploid cells having 46 number of chromosomes or 23 pairs. But dear friends, in sperm there are only 23 chromosomes, and in ovum there are also 23 chromosomes. So let us start. After fertilization, the fertilization takes place in which part of the body? It takes place in the oviduct, otherwise called the fallopian tube of the female reproductive tract. In that, after fertilization in the oviduct, then after some days it is transported to the walls of the uterus, and that process of onset of this fertilized zygote or fertilized cell in the uterus walls of the uterus is called implantation, in which the baby the fertilized zygote is supported by a bowl like structure, a capsule like structure, which is called placenta. That placenta captures the zygote, and it leads to development, and in that placenta there is a narrow muscular connection or tubular connection is there. That tubular connection is called umbilical cord, which is a connection between umbilical cord, friends, nothing but a connection between a muscular tubular connection between a pipe between the mothers and baby, in which everything is get exchanged from the mother side toward the baby, and from the baby towards the mother, and in that way the baby starts development inside. Growth and development takes 1 week, 2 week to up to 2 weeks we call it germinal period, then embryonic period, then fetus, which last or then at last after the conceive up to 38-40 weeks, 9 months something days, as 9 months, 38 to 40 weeks generally we say, that is called the gestation period of a human female. Means gestation period, the period of from the scenes of the fertilization to the delivery of this fetus, or the is called the gestational period, and that gestational period lasts up to 9 months, and that may be 30 weeks to 40 weeks plus minus 7 weeks. Days, means it may be more than 7 days from the restricted period, or it may be less than that. So let us see how the stages. Let us write some notes about this basis of human development. Okay friends, let us come to this chapter, basis of human development. We are going to write some notes about this basis of human development. As friends, I have told you, I have discussed with you that human development starts with the fertilization. So we have already known that fertilization process of fusion of sperm, that is male gamete plus female gamete, producing zygote. Friends, we know that this is that containing 33 chromosomes, and this also contains 23 chromosomes, and togetherly it is 46. So these are called haploids, containing half number of chromosomes, and this is a diploid having complete set of chromosomes, diploid. Okay friends, this is the first stage of fertilization. Let us come to next. After zygote, what it takes, then conception takes place. This is we can say is number 2, implantation. In this friends, what happens, generally we know that the so see, this is the oviduct. Here the fertilization actually takes place. Fertilization, this is called oviduct or fallopian tube. Oviduct or fallopian tube. Actual fertilization here takes place, both sperm and ovum. This is called the site of fertilization. Site of fertilization. Next, after this again sticks to here, comes here, and this onset here, this is called implantation. Then this fertilized zygote reaches to the walls of this is your friend's uterus. This part is called the uterus, and in this uterus this fertilized zygote sticks, and this process of sticking to the onset of these walls, this is called implantation. So friends, this is called implantation. So after implantation, what is this? Next come to conception starts. Okay friends, let us see more. So again speaking, fertilization, implantation, conception. You can say A, B, implantation, and C is your conception. Okay friends. So next come to number 2, germinal period. After fertilization was the stage 1, next stage 2 is the germinal period. So in this friends, what happens? The fertilized zygote, fertilized cell grows by cell division. So cell division takes place. We know that cell division takes place multiples of 2, मतलब 2, 4, 6, 8 like this manner. So you see it develops 2, then it develops into 4, then it develops 8. So in this way, what zygote develops, zygote division of cells take place. The division of take place. Then comes the morula stage. Next come to blastula. So these are the stages in which the fertilized cell develops or grows due to division of cell, and this division of cell is called mitosis, not meiosis. The process here division takes place, mitosis. So what happens? This period it takes up to 2 weeks. So germinal period lasts up to 2 weeks. Okay friends. Next is your number 3, embryonic period. Here this is development of embryo take place. Development of embryo here take place. What? Here development of embryo take place. What happens? It lasts up to 8 weeks. So as we have told, the germinal period lasts up to 2 weeks, but this embryonic period lasts up to 8 weeks. So see, up to 8 weeks matlab we can say 2 months. Okay friends, so embryonic, the formation of embryo take place. In this process, what the major changes what happens? Heart develops, heart, kidney, lungs, and other heart, kidney, lungs, and other internal organs starts to develop, start to grow. So this heart, kidney, lungs, and along with this the external physical features also appear. So what happens? Last up to 2 weeks, heart develops, kidneys develops, all the internally vital organs, life supporting systems develop inside the body and internal body. Along with this, the external features like hand, legs, and eyes, nose, these are also appear somewhat. So that is called the embryonic period. Next, come to discuss about the fetal period. Number 4, fetal period. So it lasts up to 30 weeks to 40 weeks. That is up to the birth, till the birth. Okay friends, in this phase what happened? The fetus get attached with the one corner of the uterus, and in this case also filled with a fluid called amniotic fluid. Friends, amniotic fluid. The body is attached to the one corner of this uterus and it is filled with a amniotic fluid. And what happens also? The embryo gets nourishment and oxygen for respiration. Nourishment matlab nutrients, all the nutrients required, and oxygen gases through the umbilical cord from the mother. Okay friends, This is all about today's class. Next part of the video will discuss the what remaining part of this basis of human development. Bye.